Yeah. So today topic is going to discuss about generate and test algo. Generate and test algo. The name define generate. So we have to generate all the possible way. The meaning of that generate in AI. So what is meaning? It basically define. It's basically defined to generate possible possible way. So whatever the possible way to achieve our goal. So why we are generating the possible way? For achieving the goal. For that purpose, I am generating the possible way to achieve the goal. And the meaning this test and test told that what it told that test all solution of possible way. That means whatever we can generating, it will be tested by the algorithm. Okay, this scenario will be lead to be the goal or not. If it is not goal, then how can achieve the goal? So go for the next possibility. Now see, so what happened? Just one example we can see. Just suppose you have a three-digit PIN number, 1, 2, and 3. Three-digit PIN number. Okay, so three-digit, three-digit PIN number. Okay, and three-digit PIN number, and each PIN number contain two digit. Okay, three digit, two digit. So it will be maybe like this one place we have to put two number, this place we have to put this number, then this place we have to put this number. So suppose I want to see the possibility, so it will be a start from like this one. So it will be a start from 00, then 01 up to 999. So here is a 100 possibility, here is also 100 possibility, and here is also 100 possibility. The total possibility we can say that 3 ka power 100. Okay, that means it's nearby the 1 million. So we have to hit and trial. That means we have to generate the possible way to get our pin is 1 million times. Okay, so that is the disadvantage of this one, because we can go for the hit and trial method. Okay, so for this purpose, suppose I want to increase the performance of generate and test algorithm, so I can introduce heuristic. So I can introduce heuristic. So I can introduce the heuristics, the heuristic technique. So what is that? Heuristic technique. Okay, so I can introduce the heuristic technique to minimize this test generation. So first, so I can fix the heuristic, the digit having the odd number, or we can fix the heuristic that the even number, or you can fix the heuristic as a prime number. So this way we can decrease the 1 million into some amount. Suppose you can apply the odd number, or we can apply the prime number. Suppose within 0 to 99, suppose 25 prime numbers. So what will be the, it will be increases like 3 to the power 25. Okay, so there is a possibility to generate 3 to the power 25. That is the less of that one. So that purpose, to get the more performance of generate and test algorithm, we can introduce the heuristic. So we have to introduce the some heuristic functions like h of n in the form of odd number, h of n is in the form of even number, h of n is in form of prime number. That is the possibility to achieve the performance, to calculate the performance of generate and test algorithm. So basically, what I'm going to discuss. So here we have to generate the possible way. Suppose we have to explore this is a possible way. Then one by one we have to check This is the solution or not? Is not, then cross. This is one, not, then cross, then this one. So this one is the solution. So we achieve our goal. So in basically generate and test, we can write that we can perform using heuristic technique and depth first search with backtracking. With backtracking. So here now heuristic is present. So any functions like a heuristic is present, that means not, we can say that it is not a complement. Sorry. So we can indirectly we can understand from this algorithm, this set and generate, what we conclude that this is the not a complete. Okay, this is not complete by the nature of the DFS with the backtracking, and we can also conclude that this is not a optimal. This is also conclude that this is not a optimal. Okay, so even if now someone asks you, maybe due to the heuristic it may be a optimal, yes it may be optimal, but one condition, your heuristic should be good h of n value. Then that scenario, generate and test, we can precise up to the get the complete solution, or we can set the optimal solution. Okay, so this way we can generate a test and generate. This is the basic. Okay, then we can understand. So procedure for good generator. So we can see the next step, in which condition we can generate the good possible way. That is the questions, in which condition we can generate the good possible way. So anyone idea in which condition we can generate the good possible way? दैट मीन्स अ गुड पॉसिबल वे, हम कौन कौन से ऐसे तरीके यूज कर सकते हैं जिससे हमारा जो जनरेट है वो एक अच्छा जनरेट हो सके, दैट मीन्स गुड ह्यूरिस्टिक हो सके, जिसमें टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी कम हो जाए, ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन मिल जाए और कंप्लीट हमारा सोल्यूशन हो जाए. दैट इज द माई क्वेश्चन. एनीवन? Because we already studies different things, different algorithm. So on the basis of all these algorithm, we can answer me. Okay, anyone doubt regarding how generate and test algorithm will be work? Anyone doubt? Yeah. Okay, Ria, thank you. So now see, so I am going to tell you. So now, my test condition is totally depend upon generation of possible way. So one thing we can understand, our test condition depend on which depend on generator. That means generation of possible way, of possible way. Okay, that is the generation. So the topic is in procedure for the good generator. How can you generate? That means how can generate good generator. Okay, how can generate good? Okay, that is the question. So first point come inside, we can understand it should be informed search. Now it should be informed, that means generator should be informed. So at least it should some knowledge about the environment, it should be some knowledge about the goal. So we can conclude this a 2 point. That means knowledge about environment or knowledge about goal. Knowledge about goal. Okay, in that scenario, inform search will be work. Yes or no? So this two scenario in inform search will be work. Knowledge about the environment and knowledge about the goal. Then on the basis of I can generate the good generators. Is it clear? So how can generate a good generator? Is it clear? The first point, inform. Yeah, please reply. Yeah, thank you, Ria. Now see, the second one, how can generate? The second one is called non-redundant. So non-redundant. So non-redundant. That means not repeatable state I am talking about. Not repeatable state. So here I can use the DFS. Suppose I cannot use the same state again. Suppose I can exploring that one. So now see, suppose I can exploring. Okay, that is a scenario. And here, suppose one time I can explore, so this side is no child, then again backtracking, then again exploring this node. So this facility I can remove non-redundant, then there is a best possibility to generate a good generator. Is it clear? Like a non-redundant, the meaning of non-redundant. Point number two is clear. Non-redundant value or node, we can say that. Okay. So now see, so we can remove the repeatable state. I can remove the repeatable state, then our good generator is a good generator. And the third last point, we can say that that is called complete. So complete. So complete, that means I can know this generator can give to the at least one solution on the basis of IDFS, iterative depth first searching. So we can say that it can give the, that means the best solution. That means definite my whatever is the searching space, जो searching space I am talking about, the finite, the searching space, you can say that searching space should be finite. Searching space should be finite. Then we can get a complete solution. So these are the three factors on which good generator depend. Inform. So inform is also called as a local search. Is also called as a local search. Okay, this is also called as a local search. So don't be confused. What is the local search? The inform is also called as a local search. So this way, test and generate can be work, and we can improve the efficiency of test and generate algorithm. Okay. So now see how this algorithm, we can write this algorithm. Before that, anyone doubt regarding 3 points? How can generate the good generator? Yeah, please reply. Anyone doubt? Clear. Okay. Only one people can reply, Ria, and rest what are doing out of 12. Now strength is 70, but 12 is present. Okay. So due to the last class, I know. Okay, no problem. So for your note purpose, you can please note down. So these things are, you should note down the algorithm, how this algorithm will be work. That means I'm going to write the step. Step number one, uh, generate possible solution. That means this possible solution should be continuous. Okay, we're generating continuous. Then second one, test to see if this is actual solution or not. Actual solution test we have to see this is the actual solution or not. And last, if a solution is found, if a solution is found, then we have to pit. Then we have to pit. Otherwise, go to step 1. So it will be repeat again here. If no solution found. So this one is the called generate and test algo. This 3-point generate and test algo. Okay. So basically here you can using, so point to remember, it can be heuristic and DFS with backtracking. Okay. So these are the points should be remembered, test and generate. So basically the application type problems we can solve through the generate and test. Okay. So the best example, we go to the hotel or restaurant, then we can see the order menu and we can see the different item are mentioned. Then we don't know which one is the best, so we can first generate कि भाई इसे ट्राई कर लेते हैं, भाई इसे ट्राई कर लेते हैं और देखते हैं कि अगर नेक्स्ट पर जाए आएंगे तो दैट इज ऑन विच वन इज द गुड. यस या नो? आप ऐसे ही करते हो ना? हेलो या प्लीज रिप्लाई. आप लोग ऐसे ही ना रेस्टोरेंट में हम लोग करते हैं, डिसीजन लेते हैं. No one idea. Okay. So please tell me, anyone doubt regarding all the things? Test and generate, everything is clear? So that is the test and generate algorithm. Okay, the smallest one, easiest one, test and generate algorithm. Okay. So in terms of time complexity, in terms of space complexity, it will automatically increases. And if someone asks you which data structure test and generate using, आप लोग बताएं कौन सा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर टेस्ट एंड जनरेट यूज करता है भाई? या प्लीज टेल मी, टेस्ट एंड जनरेट कौन सा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम यूज करता है, सॉरी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर यूज करता है? सो दिस वन, now see this one DFS, so it will be always use stack. Okay, the stack data structure used by the test and generate because here DFS is present, so we can say that this is the stack data structure. Stack data structure you are using. Okay, stack data structure using by the generate and test algorithm. Okay, so here heuristic function we can say that h of n equal to also h of n. So these things are there. Okay, so for those who are not present, so again for your mid sem, up to 3 unit, okay, complete. So that is the syllabus of your mid sem exam, up to 3 units. Okay, so we will try to cover this all unit. The next week we have to, next Friday, the next week upcoming Friday we can complete our syllabus. Okay, maximum already we can discuss a lot of the things regarding syllabus. and regarding which topic we can left out. Maximum 4 to 5 topic we can left. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about AOS style algorithm, then alpha beta proning, then peak to peak. Then we can discuss. Then we can discuss about alpha and beta proning and beam search. All the algorithm we can discuss. Don't worry. So we can complete. So thing is that so you can also prepare to yourself as like a AI anything they will ask. They will ask you how AI can be helping your real life in a economic and in a living life. All the thing type of questions they will ask you, like analytical questions they will ask you to solve this one. Okay. So this one is a clear. Yeah, Ria. Stack. Thank you, Ria. So. So the next class, that means I am going to discuss about AO star. Now we already discussed about AS star. These two algorithm. So now lot of things here discussed here, both having f of n function, like f of n equal to g of n plus small g of n is present here also. Here we can also present in AO star f of n is also present with same heuristic value and same this value. But this calculation is different. This calculation is different, and this one is a different calculation. Okay, so be careful to calculate function value, that means the actual value is vector. So one thing is that this is always gives optimal solution, that means complete. So here is a no guarantee. See, it's not gives optimal and complete. It cannot give optimal and complete solution. So why this is not give? Why A star? So this one is always admissible. Admissible. Okay, this is already admissible. This is rarely admissible. So we have to make it that is admissible OA star. Okay, here star mention. Now where what is this one mention? Star. So what is the meaning of a star? There is a star meaning, that means we can say that there is a possibility of selection, that is important. That means star called that meaning of this one. This is admissible. Okay, this is admissible. That is the meaning of a star, admissible. Okay, but here is a star is there, but is not admissible. Okay, it is not admissible. So why this star is already present but is not admissible, we can discuss when we can solve this algorithm through example. Then we can understand why this one is the admissible, this one is the admissible, and this one is the not admissible. So these things we are going to discuss. So that's why AO star is important. So it's little bit difficult. Okay, it's little bit difficult, and that is a different from the AS star. So in the morning class 7:30 to 8:30, be present on a time, please everyone. Okay, so now see why this is called AO star. That means here we have to perform the selection operation performed in AO star is called as AND OR. Here we have to perform only OR operation. Okay, OR operation. So how to analyze through the picture? So these things we can analyze through the picture. Don't worry, you can discuss with the detail. So suppose this picture is given like this one. Okay, now this one. So this one is like this one. In AO star, I am drawing the picture of AO star, and I'm going to draw the picture of A star. So this color picture and black picture is a OA star, and the green picture is a AS star, like this. Okay, so now see this arc is represent as a and this one is represent as a OR. So here only OR is present. Here only OR is present. Okay. Suppose what is the meaning of or? If this one is true, then go for this one. Okay. This one is true, then go for this one. If this one is true, then go for this one. No worry about this one. But this one is true, we have to include this one and this one both. That is called and or operation we have to perform in AO star. In A star, we have to perform or operation. Even if we can perform DFS, we have to perform a BFS, UCS, IDS, and then again, it's a breadth first search. This is the best first search. Then RBFS, recursive best first search. Then bidirectional. These all are belong to the category of or operation. These all are belong to the category of or operation, because here only choose only one options, one by one. But here we can explore both at a time, same time, with same time. Okay, so that is the difference between the diagram of your. This one is called. This diagram is called as a arc and. This is called as a arc and. So don't be confused. What is the arc and all the things? These are called the arc and. So is it clear about A star and O star? Little bit. I'm not asking about all the things are clear. So whatever today I deal with the A star and O star, it is clear or not? Yeah, please reply. Nothing clear? Bit clear. So Ria, bit clear regarding what? A star, O star, or test and generate? Generate and test algorithm. Yeah, Ria. Tell me. Oh, star. Okay, I know. So that's why I'm telling you, na. So it will be take difficult. It will be take more time to explain all the things. So tomorrow morning class is very important. So please, everyone, be present that time, because I am going to discuss about AO star. If you understand AO star, then it is very easy to handle alpha, beta proing, all the things. Otherwise, you are getting confused. Even if during the game player, you are getting confused. Okay. So AO star is clear. That means your alpha, beta is also clear. Alpha, beta proning is also clear. Okay. So this one is related with alpha, beta proning. Alpha, beta proning. Okay. Alpha, beta proning. This is related. Okay. So Vivek is there now. Yeah, Vivek, please collect the attendance and send to me. Okay. So anyone doubt? For today's session, basically generate and test. Please message me. Generate and test. Anyone doubt? Yeah, is it clear? I'm just asking generate and test. Not okay. Okay. Then please mark the attendance to the Vivek. Then if you're interested to leave, then leave. No problem. The class is over.